Namaste and welcome to Simple Education. So, we all know health is very much important, and both that is physical as well as mental health. So, considering this specifically with respect to old age, that there's a national workshop on behavioral and brain health in aging. सो ये नेशनल लेवल वर्कशॉप है ऑन बिहेवियरल एंड ब्रेन हेल्थ इन एजिंग एंड दिस वर्कशॉप will be held for 2 days, that is October 18th and 19th 2024. So this video is about to share the information about this national level workshop, or if you want to participate, how you can participate, uski details hai. So let us start. So, as said, this is a national level workshop on behavioral and brain health in aging, which will be held on October 18th and 19th, 2024. And this particular national level workshop has been organized by School of Medical Science under University of Hyderabad. The University of Hyderabad ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ये पर्टिकुलर नेशनल लेवल वर्कशॉप ऑन बिहेवियरल एंड ब्रेन हेल्थ इन एजिंग. फाइन. So let us see the details of this workshop, and to find out the details of this workshop, we have to visit this particular website of University of Hyderabad, जहाँ पे हमें पता पड़ेगा कि वर्कशॉप क्या है, उसकी पूरा इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव, सब थीम्स, देयर इज आल्सो abstract as well as poster presentation. So आपका paper presentation भी है इसमें. Also there is registration fee which is very minimum, specifically for students of medical. उनके लिए तो बहुत ही minimum है. Any student who is related to this theme. And yes, there is also a Google registration link and other contact details. So let us quickly go and see the details about this by visiting this website of University of Hyderabad. So we are on this website of University of Hyderabad. देखिए, so this is the complete website, and this university is been considered, या इनको ये मिला है status in India's institution of eminence. So this university has been said as one of the institution of eminence, which is given by national Indian government. अब हम specifically related to our content आते हैं, that is events में आइए. Just scroll little down. If you see, this is what we are going to talk about. There are also other events. If you wish, you can go through it. Let us go to this 2-day national workshop on behavioral and brain health in aging. Fine. क्लिक ओवर हियर. जैसे ही आपने क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे आता है इवेंट डिटेल्स. ठीक है, तो इवेंट डिटेल्स से रिलेटेड आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको सारा डिटेल्स आ जाएगा. दिस इज द कंप्लीट ब्रोशर. लेट मी स्क्रॉल डाउन. सो ये पूरा ब्रोशर है. ऑल द डिटेल्स आर गिवन. यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ प्रिंट or you can download for yourself or any of the colleague जिसको भी आप ये details देना चाहते हो, share करिए. And if anyone wants to participate, they can surely participate. See the details. So this is organized by University of Hyderabad, and yes, इस university को institution of eminence भी कहा गया है. It has been honored with this particular award. Then is National Workshop on Behavioral and Brain Health in Aging, 18th and 19th October 2024. ये पूरा overview of workshop है. The world's population is aging and all the details. So it's necessary for the mental health as well as behavioral health. तो यहाँ पे themes दे रखे हैं सारे. Total 7 themes हैं, and again there are sub themes. Total 8 sub themes हैं. So as per your liking, you can prepare your abstract as well as your poster. So registration की important details यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है. So these are the dates, that is 5th of September से शुरू हो गया है. Abstract and poster submission की last date जो है, that is the deadline, is 5th of October, and notification की आपका accept हुआ है कि नहीं, it will be on 12th of October 2024. These are the contact details written over here. You can go, and if you have any query, you can just ask them. अब ये ईमेल एड्रेस भी दे रखा है. यहाँ पे आपको आपका पोस्टर या फिर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट भेजना है. These are the guidelines for the abstract submission as well as poster submission. So do read it if you are interested in doing that. And yes, there is registration fees. So UG students, that is undergraduate students के लिए rupees 350 है. postgraduate students 500, PhD and postdoc students 700, as well as faculty industry NGO को 1000 रुपीज फी है। एंड पेमेंट पेज का ये जो दे रखा है QR, स्कैन कर सकते हैं आप। पेमेंट प्रोसेस की भी अदर डिटेल्स दे रखी है, यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड विजिट इट। रजिस्ट्रेशन इज मैंडेटरी लिखा हुआ है एंड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन इंक्लूड्स, क्या क्या मिलेगा आपको दोज हु आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग, ये सारी डिटेल्स लिखी है। एंड ऑल्सो सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन विद 3 क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स। फाइन, सो ये सारा डिटेल्स लिखा हुआ है। एंड वेन्यू, दिस इज अ ऑफलाइन वर्कशॉप, सो इट इज बिन हेल्ड एट स्कूल ऑफ लाइफ साइंसेज Hyderabad University, ठीक है, University of Hyderabad. And yes, let us see this link, that is registration link. So यहाँ पे अगर click करेंगे आप, so as soon as we click over here, so we are going to this registration form, that is Google form है, National Workshop on Behavioral and Brain Health in Aging, which will be held on 18th and 19th October. तो ये सारी details आपको fill करनी है, make sure you fill it. Fine. Your name, affiliation and your name of institution, mobile number, participant, ये आपका जो है for payment के लिए QR code दे रखा है। You also add file of your abstract or poster presentation which has been written over here, and ये सारी details लिखी हुई है। Accordingly submit this particular, fill this Google form and do submit it. I hope this is okay. And yes, this is, once again I'm showing you the whole brochure, you can just go through it, and if you are interested, surely do participate. So yes, we have went through the website as well as saw the details of this workshop. Let us quickly see the important dates of National Workshop once again, which has been held by University of Hyderabad. Registration open हो गया है 5th of September 2024 से। Last day of submission of your abstract और poster presentation जो भी आप कर रहे हैं, it will be on 5th of October 2024, and your acceptance notification they will be sending you on your mail by 12th of October 2024. Fine. So this is once again the whole brochure जिसको मैंने short में करके डाला है. I hope this is okay. So let us move towards the last slide of the presentation. So do participate in this national workshop organized by University of Hyderabad. So ये एक अच्छा workshop है where lots of learning will be taken place. So if possible, do participate. If you are interested in this particular area of behavioral and brain health in aging, do participate. So that's all from my side. Thank you and नमस्कार।